Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series on Python machine learning algorithms. So we have seen 4 different algorithms in the previous lessons. This is lesson number 5 and we are going to look at pretty interesting algorithm which is called Gaussian Naïve Bayes algorithm, which is it's actually a powerful algorithm in machine learning, guys. So what exactly this does, the Naïve Bayes is a probabilistic machine learning algorithm basically used for many classification functions and is based on Bayes' theorem. So most of you should understand all this stuff. If you don't understand, feel free to reach out to me. I can baby step back to zero to hero sessions on machine learning. I'll be happy to do that, right? So Gaussian Naïve Bayes is the extension of Naïve Bayes. While other functions are used to estimate the data distribution, but Gaussian or a normal distribution is the simplest to implement, as you will need to calculate the mean and standard deviation for training any kind of data sets in the machine learning, right? So basically the Naïve Bayes probabilistic algorithm that can be used in several classification tasks which I had mentioned earlier. So typically the applications of Naïve Bayes are classifications of documents, filtering, spam, predictions, and so on and on and on. There are loads of applications, classification applications in fact, and the kind of classification problems we can solve in using machine learning algorithms such as Naïve Bayes. Anyways, so guys, I'm going to show you the Python script for executing the Naïve Bayes algorithm, and it's a pretty comprehensive script. So what's going to happen is, let me open up my Visual Studio IDE, and there you go. So basically this code we are going to use matplotlib. Basically this is going to open up the chart and show you the confusion matrix, and based on the data you plot in, right? And then scikit-learn, and then we are going to, I'm going to walk you through the line by line code. If it is required, you have to reach out to me for one-on-one. I'll be happy to guide you, though I had put some of the explanation, as a comment, but you definitely might need some help. So I'm going to execute this code and see what happens. You might see a pyplot, that's the using the matplot. We can see some kind of confusion matrix. There you go, the normalized confusion matrix iris dataset, which is a sample dataset which I had used in order to make this tutorial. So it's pretty interesting, right? So you can throw multiple data into this particular algorithm and do your modeling. All right guys, so I am going to come back to you in the next lesson. In the meantime, I will see you soon. Goodbye.